Have you ever wished for smoother, younger-looking skin without spending a fortune on expensive creams and cosmetic treatments? Well, you're about to discover a surprisingly simple trick that people are using right at home, and it only takes 2 everyday ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen or bathroom. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing wrinkles fade, dark spots lighten, and your skin feeling softer than it has in years. Stay with me until the very end of this video, because once I show you the exact way to use this, you'll never look at toothpaste and lemon the same way again. But before we dive into this powerful secret, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my natural health and beauty tips. Every week I share remedies that save money, avoid harsh chemicals, and bring real results. And trust me, today's recipe is one of the most surprising I've ever shared. Now, let's talk about toothpaste. We all know it as the product we use every day to brush our teeth, keep our breath fresh, and protect our mouths from cavities. But did you know that toothpaste has been used for decades as a quick fix for skin issues too? From drying out pimples overnight to reducing oil on the skin, people have been experimenting with toothpaste far beyond dental care. The truth is, this product contains ingredients like mild abrasives, fluoride, and certain antibacterial agents that can actually be repurposed for skin health. Of course, you should always test carefully before applying anything to your face, but use the right way. Toothpaste can be more than just a dental essential. And then we add lemon. Lemon has been one of nature's best-kept secrets for generations. Packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural acids, lemon is known to brighten skin, reduce dark pigmentation, and promote an even skin tone. It's refreshing, it's cleansing, and when applied correctly, it can leave your skin glowing. Now imagine combining the cleansing and tightening properties of toothpaste with the brightening power of lemon juice. Together, they create a natural remedy that targets multiple skin problems at once: wrinkles, dark spots, acne, and even those stubborn, dull patches that make your skin look older than it really is. But before you run off to try this, let me make something clear. Not every skin type reacts the same way. Some people have very sensitive skin that can become red or irritated easily. That's why it's so important to always do a patch test first. Apply a little bit of the mixture on the side of your neck or the inside of your arm, wait a few minutes, and check if there's any reaction. If you notice burning, redness, or irritation, don't use it. But if your skin feels fine, you can safely move forward and try the recipes I'm about to share. So let's start with wrinkles and fine lines. This is one of the main reasons people search for natural remedies like this. Wrinkles form because as we age, our skin loses elasticity and collagen, and external factors like sun damage, stress, and lack of sleep only make things worse. Now here's what you do. Take a small amount of plain white toothpaste, not the gel kind, not one with strong whitening agents, just the basic kind, and gently apply it to the wrinkle areas before you go to bed. Leave it overnight and rinse it off in the morning with lukewarm water. The toothpaste helps tighten the skin temporarily, making fine lines appear less visible. It's not a permanent fix, but many people notice a difference even after just a few uses. For dark spots and uneven skin tone, the method is slightly different. The natural acids in toothpaste, which are designed to keep teeth white, can also help reduce pigmentation when used carefully. All you need to do is dab a little toothpaste directly onto the dark spot before bed, leave it overnight, and wash it off in the morning. If you repeat this a few times a week, over time you may see those stubborn spots begin to fade. And when you combine toothpaste with lemon juice, this effect becomes even stronger. Simply mix a teaspoon of toothpaste with half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Apply it directly to dark patches on areas like your underarms, elbows, or even the bikini line, and let it sit for about 20 minutes before washing off. Do this consistently for 2 weeks and you'll notice a much brighter and more even skin tone. But there's a very important rule here. Never use lemon on your skin during the day if you're going to be exposed to the sun. Lemon can make your skin extra sensitive to sunlight, leading to burns or more dark spots. That's why it's always best to apply these remedies at night. And during the day, don't forget to use sunscreen to protect your skin. Now let's move on to acne and pimples, a problem so many people deal with. We all know how frustrating it is to wake up with a red, swollen pimple right before an important day. Here's the trick. Apply a small dot of toothpaste directly onto the pimple before going to bed. By morning, you'll often notice the pimple has dried out and reduced in size. For stubborn pimples, you can apply a dab of toothpaste, cover it with a small bandage, and leave it for a few hours. The antibacterial properties help reduce inflammation and speed up healing. Add a drop of lemon juice to this, and you get an even stronger drying effect. Though again, be cautious with sensitive skin. But that's not all toothpaste can do. Did you know it can even help with insect bites? That's right. If you've been bitten by a mosquito or another insect and the skin is red, swollen, and itchy, just rub a little toothpaste on the area. Within minutes, the cooling effect starts to soothe the irritation and reduce the swelling. Once the bite calms down, you can wash it off with water. It's a quick and easy home remedy that works for many people. Another interesting use is for your nails. If you often wear dark nail polish, you know that sometimes when you remove it, your nails look yellow or stained. Brushing your nails gently with a little toothpaste can whiten them naturally, making them look clean and healthy again. Now here's something that surprises a lot of people. Toothpaste and lemon can even help with unwanted facial hair, the tiny soft hairs around the lips or cheeks. All you need is a mix of toothpaste, a few drops of lemon juice, and a pinch of sugar or salt. Massage this mixture gently on the area for about 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with water. Over time, this helps reduce the appearance of fine facial hair and leaves the skin smoother. Again, this should only be done at night, and always remember to apply sunscreen the next day because lemon can make the skin more sensitive. At this point, you're probably amazed at how versatile something as simple as toothpaste can be. And this is the kind of knowledge that saves you money and avoids unnecessary chemicals from expensive beauty products. But I want to remind you again, not every remedy works the same for everyone. Always listen to your skin, test carefully, and never overuse any of these mixtures. Moderation and consistency are the keys to safe and effective results. Now, if you've been enjoying these tips, take a second right now to click the share button and send this video to a friend or family member who loves natural remedies. Sharing is a great way to spread knowledge and help others discover new, affordable ways to care for their skin. So, what did we learn today? Toothpaste is much more than just a dental product. It can tighten skin, reduce wrinkles, fade dark spots, dry out pimples, calm insect bites, whiten nails, and even help reduce facial hair when combined with lemon. And lemon, with its natural brightening and cleansing properties, makes these results even more powerful when used carefully. Together, these two simple ingredients can transform the way you take care of your skin at home. Before I wrap up, let me give you one last word of caution. DIY remedies like this can be effective, but they're not miracle cures. If you have very sensitive skin, severe acne, or other skin conditions, it's always best to consult a dermatologist before trying home treatments. And remember, consistency matters more than intensity. Using a small amount regularly is far more beneficial than overloading your skin and risking irritation. So now I want to hear from you. Would you try toothpaste and lemon for your skin? Have you ever used toothpaste as a beauty remedy before? Let me know in the comments below. I love reading your experiences and learning about the creative ways people use natural solutions in their daily lives. And don't forget, before you go, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new today, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. I have so many more powerful natural remedies to share with you, and I promise you'll love what's coming next. If you're curious about more ways to transform your skin naturally, check out the 2 videos now appearing on your screen. They're packed with secrets and remedies you can start using right away. Thanks so much for watching, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.